And I'm very happy to announce to all of you that the official state anthem has been approved by the state cabinet today. And I am thankful to the art and culture department and all the individuals who are involved, who have been involved in creating the state anthem. I would like to thank them for all the efforts that have been put in, including the lyrics that were written, including the tune that was made. Many people have been involved in it, and I'll be mentioning all of that tomorrow when we'll be having the Meghalaya Day program in Tura, and I will be officially launching the state anthem tomorrow. And this is indeed a very happy and a very proud moment for us, because the state has been without a state anthem for the last 52 years. So that was the most important decision, I should say, that was made today. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.